Okay, so this one popped up, and I couldn't not because you've met me, so I had to do this. And this is a rookie cop that just has a blatant disregard for apparently everybody. He thinks he's just king shit, and he knows everything. So we're gonna see how this plays out. Also, I keep saying this. I say it at the end. I'm gonna say it at the beginning too, because I understand not everybody makes it to the end of these videos. 93% of people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. You have your phone in your hand or you're at your computer. All you gotta do, click the button. I'll stop harassing you, and we'll be done with it. So, I'm not even sure, like I said, where this is at. I'm not sure if it mentions where it's at, but this is where we're at. And this is from Worldstar Hip Hop's post. And it says a rookie cop just made the worst mistake of his career, and he definitely regrets it now. He pulled over a black FBI agent and said, "Put your hands on the wheel like a good boy," and even admitted, "I like making people's lives difficult." The arrogance didn't last long. Now he's facing suspension and might even get fired for misconduct. New release body cam footage is making rounds, and this is "Put your hands on the wheel like a good boy, arrogant rookie cop, pulled over by FBI agent, instantly regrets it." And this isn't, this is just, it's not, but we're going to read the "People only act tough when they have weapons." It's like every sentence he said was pulled from a bad Dirty Cop movie. I want to know the psychological exam these guys are passing. The bar must be really low. He definitely doesn't need to be in law enforcement. He don't have to go that far. Oh, we're going further than that. Oh, we don't have to go that far. We're going further than that. When he said he loves to ruin people's days, he should have known. They should have known he shouldn't be a officer simply based off that. Purposefully inflicting a hard time on people you're supposed to protect and serve is insane. Yes, also the Supreme Court says they have no duty to protect you until you are in their care, custody, and control. Having speaking issues all of a sudden, apparently. People wondering why people are firing back at police. I'll leave that one where it's at. Cancel that backup. Sad to say, but typical cop, at least in my experience. Power trip. I'm sure there is good cops out there, not saying all are bad. Still looking for the good ones, though. We are. I have a lot of run-ins with police, and it's always similar to this. Very rare to get a half-decent cop that doesn't act like they're some kind of god. You know what's crazy? This was caught on camera. What about the ones that wasn't caught on camera? Exactly. This made my day. On his own body cam. That's Rough stuffing robots. Is there an update? I need to know what's happened to him. Now, if the FBI actually plants agents on the road to catch these criminals in badges, America would be a better place, especially in places where they have the most officer complaints. Well, just going to leave that there. It's the fuck at the end that gets me. LOL. He realized that pencil pusher was going to make him regret every wrong decision he has ever made, and that he will never weaponize his badge again. How many times has this happened when there wasn't someone recording? This shit infuriates me. Imagine if he wasn't an agent and had a legal firearm. That cop. Imagine if he wasn't an agent and had a legal firearm. That cop would have threw some bogus ass charges at him, and even if he wasn't drinking, it would have cost him $1,000 in lawyers' fees, time, and hella stress. Cops like this is wrong. Cops like that, I think it's supposed to be cops like that is what's wrong with the world. Among other things, shaking my head. The man's energy surely switched very quickly. He messed up when he said, "We don't have to go that far," when he stated about speaking to his supervisor. I'm sure he treats everybody like this, and unfortunately they can't do anything. Glad this guy called him out. Luckily, he's an agent and was able to drive away. Pretty sure his cert might get pulled for this shit. I don't know. So, anyway, there's that, and there's some comments. Now let's go to the video, and this is from Arrogant Police Officer Pulls Over Black FBI Agent and Regrets It. Body cam declassified. 3,660 some subscribers. Go give him a like and a share. Subscribe. And we'll see what this one's about.
Open the window for me all the way, please. Put the phone down. Put the phone down. Can you do me a favor? Open all the windows. Open all the windows. I need you to open all the windows for me right now. Anybody else in this vehicle?
Right now, Clay said.
Okay. All right. You know why I'm pulling you over right now? Okay, I'm pulling you over because I saw you. I was driving behind you. I don't know if you noticed. You were swerving. You didn't indicate turn signal. Okay, you can record all you want. I mean, I don't know what you're doing there. What you're looking up. You're looking up. You little weirdo. Do me a favor. Open up all the windows. Blah blah. Let's go. Sir. Why are you making this difficult? You want me to make your life difficult? Because I love making people's lives difficult. Really? There you go. I just did that. What are you going to do about it? Nothing. Okay. So, now, license, registration, proof of insurance. Can you get off your phone? Your little TikTok thing? I just did. Are you deaf? Are you deaf? Oh, there's no supervisor. No, there is no supervisor. I'm the most senior officer on the road right now. So,
I'm the most senior officer on the road right now. Right now? Yes, he's the biggest pain in the ass on the road right now, too.
That supervisor. I'm going to let you listen to my music. Okay, so that's how we're going to play. All right, step out of the vehicle for me.
Oh, damn. If he plays that music very long, I'm going to have to do a lot more editing because I'm going to have to take that out. I'm going to get a YouTube strike.
Step out of the vehicle for me. Okay, put the phone down. Listen. Hold on. Actually, you know what? Do you have any weapons on? Do you have anything you're not supposed to have when you're in the car? Listen. Do you have anything you're not supposed to have when you're in the car? You're going to make this difficult? Can I step out the vehicle? Can you just answer the question first? I'll step out the vehicle for you. Keep your hands on the wheel. I'll step out the vehicle for you. Listen to me, follow my directions, and this can go very easy. Listen, sir. Listen, sir. Do you want me to get out the car or you don't? I want you to follow my directions like you just did. Like a good boy. All right? I'll follow your directions now. Do you want me to get out the car or you don't? Weapons or anything you shouldn't have in the vehicle or on your person at this moment? No.
Well, now, he's an FBI agent. So, when he's saying, do you have anything you shouldn't have, he's asking about guns. Now, he's an FBI agent, so technically he should have it, but now, when does he figure out he's an FBI agent? I don't know.
Nope. Okay. Do you have a firearm on you? Do you have a license to carry a firearm if you do? Are we in Florida? Even if I did have a license on me, you don't even need what is this to have what you're talking about. Get out of the vehicle. Okay. All right. All right, listen. Hands over here. I got a gun right here on my side. Okay, put your hands up then. I got a gun on my side. Okay. Can you do me a favor? So you're going to have it totally male. Now listen to me. Shirt. Rush that back on. Why you searching me? Spread your feet out. Why you searching me, sir? Put your feet out. Why you searching me? Where's the gun? Please? Where's the gun? On my right. Right here. Okay. On my right. For my safety and your safety, we're going to do this today, okay? Hey, make sure when you do that, while you searching me, you got big muscles, huh? My gun is right on my chest. Oh, wow. Oh, on your chest, huh? So we're lying today. Are you a gangbanger? Is that what you're doing here? You're selling drugs? This is me? No. Okay. Don't move. Sit in the parking lot. Don't move. You have a license to carry this? We're in Florida, right? Do you have a... I sure enough do. Okay. It's called the... Hey, buddy. It's around my neck. It's called a concealed carry permit. Listen, my license is around my neck. Oh. I carry it around my neck. Okay. Well, first, let's see what else you got. So you're lying there. Hey, didn't I spread your feet apart? Spread your feet apart, huh? Fucking shit.
What an asshole.
Yes, sir. Okay. Listen, can you make sure you get my what is this? Can you make sure you get my license to carry? My license to carry is on my chest. Is this fake? You know, a lot of people like to act like they're cops. Federal agent. Oh, right. Where's the ID? Let's check the ID. Give me a favor. Federal agent. Okay. So now my badge started making. Lean against the car. So you're a cop. So why wouldn't you tell me? It seemed like you fraudulently pulled me over. You been drinking tonight? Drinking, sir. We don't drink. I smell alcohol emanating from the vehicle. Actually, we're doing an investigation on
It always has to be something. Well, I smelled alcohol. And then when they find out alcohol, it turns to weed. I think I smell weed. They got to stop with all the open air search bullshit.
Okay. And just what? You just hop in the past.
216, 7 that back up.
You just hop in the past. Okay. When your sergeant gets here and he realizes what's going on right now.
What's going on is that I stopped. I stopped.
The badge don't make a difference.
Where's the? Okay, so I found your ID.
Because here I have a cop who's doing some things that's wrong. Tell me why, as a police officer, tell me why another police officer in handcuffs. Over a swerve?
You didn't identify yourself as a police officer. You were swerving. You didn't indicate your turn signal.
Once again, sir, you didn't call your sergeant here neither.
There's
the things that we supposed to do here, right?
Okay. All right, let me get these off of you, buddy. I don't know why you're being like this. I don't know why you're being like this.
I mean, what y'all got going on here?
What y'all got going on?
Tell you what.
You know,
We as agents, we're gonna figure it out. You know, we don't like city cops. You know that, right?
Okay, yeah, we don't like
The
federal cops either.
agents don't like city cops.
Most people don't like city cops, so you're in good company there, Mr. FBI agent.
Consider that it's our cops.
What are you, a pencil pusher? Listen, you could have just, I pulled you over, you could have just identified yourself as police officer and this would have been done.
Oh, so if he had identified himself as law enforcement, are you trying to say he would have got the blue line discount? Is that where we're at? He was just trying to see if you're going to do your job correctly, and you sucked.
When I showed you my badge and you grabbed my badge, you still didn't believe it was real.
Because people impersonate officers all the time.
Okay.
Do they not?
When I see a sergeant, I'll make sure. When I see your sergeant, we'll make sure.
Well, we don't have to go that far, okay?
No, we won't. We'll go farther than that. We'll make sure we talk to them. We'll make sure we do a lot of things on this. I'm pretty sure you probably have other offenses against you. But you have a nice day.
He's probably right.
Listen.
I appreciate you, sir.
Listen.
Sir, I appreciate you.
You have a good day.
Thank you much.
Now, I'm going to let this stop for a minute because I think this is the end of it, but that music's going to hurt me. Might not be too bad. So, yeah. You cancel that backup. Yes, you can cancel that backup. What a complete asshole he was. So, stop. Let me know what you think about this little prick in the comments. Like, share, subscribe. Also, again, 93% of people, I keep saying it, that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel. You're at your computer. You got your phone in your hand. Click the button. I'll quit harassing you. Let me know what you think about the video, and I'm out.